In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove audio from a video using VLC Media Player. VLC is completely free, works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and you don't need any advanced editing skills to get this done. Whether you want to mute background noise, remove copyrighted music, or export a silent video for presentations or social media, this method is quick and reliable. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you have VLC Media Player installed on your computer. If you don't, you can download it for free from the official VLC website. Once VLC is installed, go ahead and open it. When VLC launches, look at the top menu bar and click on Media. From the drop-down menu, select Convert or Save. This will open the Open Media window where you can choose the video file you want to edit. Next, click the Add button on the right side of the window. Browse your computer and select the video file that you want to remove the audio from. Once the file is added, double-check that it appears in the file list. After confirming that, click the Convert or Save button at the bottom to move to the conversion settings screen. Now we're going to adjust the output settings to remove the audio. In the Convert window, you'll see a Profile drop-down menu. Next to this dropdown, click on the small wrench or settings icon. This opens the Profile Edition window where you can customize how the video is exported. Inside this window, click on the Audio Codec tab. This is where VLC controls all audio-related settings. To remove the audio completely, simply uncheck the box that says Audio. By doing this, VLC will export the video without any sound at all. Once the audio box is unchecked, click the Save or Create button to return to the main conversion screen. Now it's time to choose where your new silent video will be saved. Under the Destination section, click Browse and select the folder where you want the final video file to be stored. Make sure to give the file a clear name so you can easily recognize it later. After setting the destination, double-check everything one last time. When you're ready, click the Start button. VLC will begin converting the video and the progress bar will move as the process completes. Depending on the size of the video, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the conversion is finished, navigate to the folder you selected and open the video to confirm that the audio has been removed successfully. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove audio from a video using VLC Media Player, quickly and for free. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.